In this video, I will show you how to set B4 paper size in your Google Docs document. Open your Google Docs document. Then here in this left side top corner, click on File. Then here click on Page Setup. Now here you can select paper size B4, this one. So just select it. You can change orientation, portrait or landscape. You can change margins from here. Also here is the option page color. You can set the setting as default. Then here click on OK. That's it. So this way you can set B4 paper size in your Google Docs document. Thanks for watching.